In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a fog light bezel on a Ford Escape. It is located on the front bumper. A fog light bezel cover has a bunch of clips that go all the way around. You can take an interior trim tool, stick it in between the fog light and the trim, pull straight up, twist, and pull straight out. Your fog lamp bezel has clips all around. You just line them up with the holes that are on the bumper and push straight in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.